to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chinelo, and yes, this is Chinelo's Corner. I trust you guys are doing great. Today I'll be taking you through on how to make this well-known popular drink that we have in our country, Nigeria. And today I'll be making the drink Zobo. Yeah, Zobo drink, as it's well known everywhere in Nigeria. So I'll be taking you through how I'm going to be making my own method. My own method. So everyone have their way of making their own, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to be making this one today. And I'm making it I'm making it specially, I'm making it special. So guys, let me just take you through on what I'll be using to cook it, because I want to start cooking and then process the other things that I'll use in cooking it. So first off, here is the key ingredients, which is the Zobo flour. It is known as hibiscus flour. Yeah, that's our key ingredients. I've washed it because I discovered that there are a lot of dirt in it. I would have brought that out to show you, so you always try and pick yours very well, as in separate all those unnecessary, the odd ones. Yes, there are some that you see that are very odd, they are dirty. Pick them out, and if you notice that it's kind of dusty, you use filter to filter it, and then wash. Just wash a little, so you don't wash off all the things, all the nutrients that it's contained in it. You know, it's like color, but all it contains. So I'll be taking you through the benefits of taking Zobo drink. But before then, our key ingredient, which is the Zobo drink, the Zobo flour, which is the hibiscus flour. I have cucumber here. I have pineapple, well washed and peeled already. I have citrus fruits. Yeah, I'll be using citrus fruits also. I have ginger. I have my ginger also. Where's my ginger? Oh, my father. I have my ginger also, and I have clove seed. Some people know it is popularly known as Zobo pepper, but in English it's called clove. And I have sweetener. Yeah, without this it will not have any taste. We have to add a little bit of sweetener, so I have this to sweeten it. Yes. So guys, then I have my pineapple peel. I'll be using it to cook the Zobo flour, or the hibiscus flour. So guys, that is it. I'll just take my camera down so you see it all. Yeah, our citrus fruits, our pineapple peel, our pineapple, our cucumber, and all. So guys, that is it. That is it for now. So let's dive into the cooking proper, because we're going to be cooking the hibiscus flour and other things I'll be adding into it. I'm going to be smashing my ginger and the Zobo pepper, the clove. Yeah, I'll smash it and add it to the pot that I'll be using to cook it. So I'll be back soon after cooking. And I'm also going to blend this one and extract the juice from it. So I'll show you after blending, so you see how I'm going to be adding everything to my Zobo drink, guys. So let's go, guys. This is the Zobo and the pineapple peel. I've smashed the ginger and the clove seed, and I'm about to put it on the heat to cook now, and I'll add water. So I just want to take you through on how that will be done. So let's go, guys. Guys, that's our cucumber. So I'm going to be adding the pineapple to it now and blend everything together. water is just a cucumber and the pineapple that I'm blending. Okay guys, I'm back. Yeah guys, I'm back. So our Zobo has already been cooked and it's still hot. So I just want to add the remaining things that I'm supposed to add to it, which is pineapple, cucumber, and our citrus fruits. So I blended everything and extracted the juice out of it, and this is what I arrived at. And surprisingly guys, I have a very sweet juice here. Like seriously, I have another. I want to use it for this one, but I arrived at something else, and you're gonna see that. Yes, I tasted it and I really liked it. Yeah, I arrived at something else here. So I'm gonna be adding this and this to our Zobo drink. I'll not add all because that is much. I divided it, so I'm gonna be adding. Then I'll mix everything and let's see how it is. Whenever you add this flavor to your Zobo, the aroma, the aroma that comes out of it is something else. It just makes you want to take out of it. It makes you want to take out of it. So guys, I'll add this one to it now. Guys, my nephew is here and my niece, and they are happy. They say they love Zobo drink. They are happy seeing this. You'll be wondering, this girl always calling my nephew. Yes, they are always around me, and whenever I'm doing things like, they are happy. You have to hear what my nephew was saying just now. Auntie Chichi, you like doing things. You like doing this. You like doing this. Yes, and he likes it. Yes, guys. Our Zobo is ready. Okay guys, our Zobo is ready. It's ready. Yes guys, she is looking beautiful, right? Yeah, and it's sweet. Yes guys, it's sweet. So like I said, I arrived at this, and from the cucumber and the pineapple that I wanted to add to it, I got another juice out of it. So guys, here it is. Yes guys, I told you I arrived at another one, which is the cucumber, pineapple, and the citrus fruits. So that's what we have here. Yeah, from trying to extract juice from it to add to my Zobo drink, I got another juice. Yes guys, so if you enjoy watching my video, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. A big thumbs up. Comment to the comment section. Yeah, comment to the comment section. And share me out if you can. I love you guys. My returning subscribers, I love you. If you are new here, I love you too. And I say a big welcome to you. Yes, thanks for watching. Chinelo signing out. Bye bye.